this morning I'm going to show you how to use the green screen while doing your live stream. So here I'm doing my live stream now. So this 1 2 3 4, this one, the fourth one here, you have to click. This is the green screen, that one, and then below there's a word green screen, and then you choose your gallery. There's a picture or your photos, what you want to put here in your green screen. I'm going to choose this one. You can that one. Whenever you're busy doing household chores or anything, you can do a green screen. Or if you're shy to show your face doing your live stream, you can do a green screen. You can have a green screen. Then if you don't want to use the green screen, you have to click like that, and then this one, this logo here, you have to click and back it to normal, that one, and then click done. Click done. Okay, and that's it. Bye, and thank you for watching.